I'm working on our entrance to transform it with some GIGALUMI solar lights. I love these solar lights because they are real metal and glass and very bright. Each light is really easy to assemble. You can see that this is real glass, so it won't get all yellowed and wear out over time. And again, this is real metal. The top is metal. There's a solar panel on top, and it's very easy to put the stake into the bottom and just stick it into your flower garden. Inside of the lid, there's a space to replace the battery if you should ever need to do that, as well as an on-off switch so you can turn these off. This just comes off and on. It slides on very easily. Really, really easy. All you have to do is put them wherever you can get a little bit of sunlight every day, and you've got your lighting installed. So I put 2 in each of my flower boxes out here, along with some fun Halloween decorations, and I can't wait to come back and show you what these look like at nighttime. I'm out here now with the GIGALUMI lights on. It is pitch black outside, and look how bright they are. They look so good, and they're so fun with the Halloween decorations too. I love how they throw the light out through the faceted glass. It's so pretty, and it just lights this pathway up enough here so that we can see to walk down here in the dark. Really, really good quality solar lights. I'm very, very pleased with these.